gold standard of aviation, Boeing's reputation was unparalleled. Once the gold standard of aviation, Boeing's reputation was unparalleled. But in a rush to outdo Airbus, they launched the flawed 737 MAX. Tragedy struck with 2 fatal crashes, killing 346 innocent lives. The aftermath saw the grounding of the entire 737 MAX fleet. Internal documents revealed a culture of deceit and secrecy. Boeing's future hangs in the balance as it grapples with its downfall. As crisis deepened, Boeing's relationships frayed. Criticized for lax oversight, airlines began to question Boeing's commitment. Billions in losses. Boeing's brand was severely damaged. A cautionary tale of prioritizing profits over people. Boeing, once iconic, fell victim to its own ambition. A story of hubris and tragedy unfolded. A stark reminder of the importance of safety. Integrity and accountability became paramount. Boeing's tale served as a potent lesson.